In the heart of the Golfo Paradiso, the Gulf of Paradise, on the vibrant Italian Riviera di Levante, lies a town that stands as a testament to resilience, a place whose soul is far more beautiful than its surface might suggest. This is Recco. Tucked between the famously picturesque fishing villages of Sori and Camogli, and just a short journey from the glamour of Portofino, Recco presents a strikingly different face to the visitor, where one expects a postcard-perfect jumble of ancient, pastel-colored houses clinging to a cliffside. One finds instead a town of rational, modern, and often unadorned post-war buildings. There is no labyrinthine medieval core, no grand Renaissance palazzo. At first glance, it appears to be the plain working-class sibling in a family of celebrated beauties. Yet, to judge Recco by its architecture is to fundamentally misunderstand its story and to miss the profound richness that lies within. This unassuming town is, without exaggeration, one of the most important gastronomic pilgrimage sites in all of Italy. It is the undisputed global capital of a single, sublime culinary creation, the Focaccia di Recco col formaggio. Furthermore, it is a town of explosive passion, hosting one of Italy's most spectacular fireworks festivals, and a sporting powerhouse whose water polo team dominates the European stage. Recco's modern appearance is not a sign of lacking history, but a testament to its most defining historical event: its near-total destruction in the Second World War and its subsequent defiant rebirth. To understand Recco is to look beyond the facade and discover a story of immense tragedy, indomitable spirit, and the creation of a unique identity forged not in ancient stone, but in fire, water, and culinary genius. The history of Recco, prior to its 20th century cataclysm, followed a familiar Ligurian pattern. The area was first settled by the ancient Tiguli tribes, who established a community on the banks of the river that flows through the town. The Romans later established a settlement here, naming it Ricina or Ricina, and its position on the coastal route made it a modest but stable outpost. Throughout the Middle Ages, it existed as a small maritime town under the powerful dominion of the Republic of Genoa. Its life was dictated by the sea, its men were fishermen and sailors, and its homes were clustered around a small harbor, constantly under threat from Saracen pirate raids that plagued the coast. For centuries, it was a typical, resilient Ligurian coastal community, neither particularly powerful nor exceptionally famous, living in the shadow of its mighty Genoese overlord. This long, relatively quiet history came to a sudden and brutal end during the Second World War. Between October 1943 and July 1944, Recco endured a series of devastating Allied bombing raids that systematically erased it from the map. The reason for this focused destruction was a single, vital piece of infrastructure: Recco's massive railway viaduct. This bridge was a critical artery on the main coastal line, essential for transporting German troops and supplies down the Italian peninsula to the front lines at Cassino and beyond. For the Allies, destroying this viaduct was a major strategic priority. For the people of Recco, it was a death sentence for their town. Wave after wave of bombers targeted the viaduct, and in the process they obliterated everything around it. By the end of the war, over 95% of Recco lay in ruins. The ancient churches, the historic houses, the narrow lanes, all were reduced to rubble. The town was a ghost, a landscape of craters and shattered stone. The human cost was immense, but so too was the loss of 1,000 years of architectural heritage. This is the crucial fact that explains modern Recco. Unlike its neighbors, which survived the war largely intact, Recco had no old town left to preserve. It had to be built again, from scratch, from the ashes of its own destruction. The post-war reconstruction was a testament to the tenacity of the Reccolini, the people of Recco. Faced with a blank slate, they rebuilt their town with the materials, aesthetics, and urgency of the time. The focus was not on recreating a lost past, but on providing homes, shops, and a future for the survivors. The result is the town we see today with its clean, rationalist lines, wide streets, and functional apartment buildings from the 1950s and 60s. Its modernity is not a choice, but a scar. In conclusion, Recco is a town that demands to be understood, not just seen. It offers a powerful lesson in looking beyond surface appearances to find a community's true heart. Its beauty lies not in the weathered charm of ancient stones, for those were stolen by the war. Instead, its beauty is found in the resilience of its people, in the sublime taste of a perfect slice of its unique focaccia, a dish that elevates simplicity to art. It is found in the explosive communal joy of the Sagra del Fuoco, a festival that fills the sky with light and fire, and it is found in the relentless, world-class excellence of its water polo team, a symbol of a small town's immense fighting spirit. Recco is the tenacious, unassuming, and utterly delicious heart of the Golfo Paradiso, a place that proves that the soul of a community is its most enduring and powerful monument.